The challenge was, how do we go about identifying which of these population of circuit breakers can we replace each year, so that we are kind of targeting the most impactful area with the goal of eventually getting rid of all of them. And so we started down a path of developing an asset health score to help us better understand this problem. So we've worked with an internal analytics team here at Exelon to develop a model that took into a number of different factors: CM history, age, oil sample data. We kind of came up with all these health scores for all 600 some breakers. And then from there, we were trying to figure out, all right, well, how do we operationalize this, right? How do we take this data and then work it into a programmatic program where we did not want to be jumping from station to station? That was a strategy, I'd say a failed strategy, that we had tried in the past, which was like identify the 10 worst, and then you're in 10 different substations, right? And then the construction crews in the field are asking a lot of questions. I was just in that station, now I'm coming back 2 years later, and I'm doing the breaker right next to the one that I was just at. So we needed to apply some intelligence to that. And we started evaluating tools to help us do that, right? And Copperleaf was one of those tools that we started to look at. And when we kind of saw the presentation that everyone just saw here, in the beginning, being able to look across all assets and being able to bundle assets with inside of a location, seemed like that was going to be a good fit to solve this problem.